Welcome LEGO fans, I'm Holger, the Austrian brick fan from Carinthia in Austria, and today I want to show you a maybe useful tool if you have also problems with dust on your LEGO collection. What I mean with dust, I think all of you know. Let's take a look at this train car. Hopefully you can see how dusty it is. And here, and I put there my finger. Yeah, I think you can see it, how dusty it is. And also I have here this one. I touched already with my finger inside here, that you can see also that's really dusty. And it could be hard to remove the dust, especially when there are studs that must be cleaned. So I was contacted by Cleanmybricks and they sent me their vacuum cleaner, what is specially made to clean Lego sets, Lego bricks. So I thought, let's do a video about it and let's check out if it works good. So let's open the box together. What's inside here? Here we have the vacuum cleaner itself. The power button is secured here. Now it's free. And we have here a filter inside that you can remove for cleaning. That's good, that's easy to handle. Now here's the push button. Here stands also Cleanmybricks on it. And then here we have several accessory parts. First, this one here. This could be maybe used for base plates. This one here, what I can put here. Then here an additional thing what I can put here on. Then I have a brush that may be useful for the studs. The short description. And a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. And I think the USB-C is used here on the vacuum cleaner. Yes, of course, there it plugs in. And the USB-A cable you can plug to your computer, laptop, or maybe phone charger. That's all what's in the box. And then I think we should start and test it. So hopefully it is charged. It is charged. So let's test here. Seems to be dust-free, so it seems to work. Let's try it here on the front side. Seems also to work. So now we have here the second test, this one here. I will remove this blue brick here. I think then we can better see how dusty it is. So let's start. Okay. This dust seems to be really hard because it seems to be a little bit wet. Yeah, because this set I got out of a collection. Yeah, it's discolored a little bit, so the vacuum cleaner does not help here. It removes the dust, but it cannot fix the color change on these pieces here. So let's try another set I have here. It's working, and here you can also see this set is out of the same collection. This one must also be cleaned with a wet thing that you can better remove it. So in these cases, a vacuum cleaner in general does not help. So I will check if I find here in my background several other things that are dusty. So I will stop shortly the recording. And for you it was only a second. I'm back here and I found this one here, and this one is really dirty. You can see it here, and also here in the front, the tiles. And let's try it. Yeah, and I think we could see that the vacuum cleaner works perfectly here, that he removes the dust. Of course, it's still work to do. It's not done in a few seconds, of course. Yeah, but it removes the dust really good between the studs. That's quite nice, because I tried it also with a Dyson vacuum cleaner, what my wife owns, and with this one it was not made for it. It's really powerful, but it does not work in this case. So this one here I think is a good thing. And now we can check how many dirt is here inside. And you see how dirty the filter is. So this is all the dust the vacuum cleaner cleaned from the Lego sets, from the Lego bricks. So I'm happy with it. What are your thoughts? Please write in the comments, and see you next time cleaning your bricks maybe. Bye bye.